Wait a minute. Okay, now we're going. Yeah. You had some issues with the rudder?
Yeah, the rudder. They had complicated instructions here.
Mm-hmm.
And the strap that they had was big enough that you could drill holes in it.
Uh-huh.
The actual strap that was provided, however, was 1/16 of an inch across. There was no way you'd drill holes. So instead, I cut out this piece and I bent the end of it so that it would shape in. Then I glued it, and I did that with each one of them. Then I do another piece this length, bent the end of it and stuck it on and glued it there. You get the same appearance.
Now, are you talking about little metal, those little brass pieces?
Yeah, those little straps. I have since painted them.
So it doesn't matter.
But you get the same appearance as what they were doing, and it would have been almost impossible because they're talking about pushing those things on there after you bend them into a U shape, and that would have just simply tore up the copper foil.
Well, this could be helpful to somebody, so.
Right.
All right, thanks, Dad.
Yeah, but dear.